In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add buttons to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add a button. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, scroll through the available elements and find the button element. Drag the button element onto your page and drop it where you want the button to appear. Click the button to open its settings. Edit the button text to match your call to action, such as Contact Us, Learn More, or Shop Now. You can also customize the button's style, including its colors, font, size, and alignment to match your website. Next, add a link by selecting the link option and entering the destination. You can link the button to another page on your website, an external website, or another supported destination. Preview your website to make sure the button looks and works as expected. When you're satisfied with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add buttons to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.